New case is being added to the Supreme Court's docket. Justices will decide whether elected officials can block critics on social media. It's a free speech issue that has divided courts since a 2019 ruling that found then-President Donald Trump was not able to block people on Twitter based on their viewpoints. Tom Dempsey is live outside of the Supreme Court with more on that. Good morning, Tom.
Hey, good morning, Mitch. Yeah, the nation's highest court will be taking up two different cases, all dealing with blocking people on social media. Specifically, does it violate First Amendment rights if a government leader blocks someone who might be criticizing them on social media? Again, this all revolves around two separate cases dealing with a similar issue. One case stems from Michigan, where a city manager blocked someone on Facebook who was criticizing the city's response to the pandemic. The city manager blocked the accounts and deleted the comments, and lower courts later sided with the city manager. Another involves two California elected school board members who blocked two parents after they posted critical comments on their social media pages. An appeals court ruled in favor of the parents and said that being blocked violated their free speech. In court documents filed by the parents' legal team, they write, quote, because of a district rule largely precluding board members from responding to constituents at in-person board meetings, and because of emails often went unanswered, the trustees' social media pages were the best medium for interactive communication between constituents and board members. But the legal team for the school board members defended the decisions on social media, saying public engagement may be part of doing their jobs well, but calling on the justices to, quote, end the ongoing irreparable harm that the lower courts have inflicted on petitioners by abridging their right to communicate with their constituents without being spammed by respondents. 2 years ago, like you said, Mitch, the Supreme Court considered a similar case involving President Donald Trump. A group of people blocked by the president on Twitter after they criticized him filed the case, saying that violated their First Amendment rights. The justices later sent that case down to lower courts, telling them to dismiss it since Trump no longer served as president. Again, two interesting cases being argued in front of the Supreme Court. We expect oral arguments to take place later this fall, with a decision likely coming down sometime next year.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.